Critical reading and writing develops students' critical thinking skills through English. Critical thinking is one of the most important skills students learn in university. Students who can critically think are more open-minded, are more creative, can solve problems, and can make good decisions in their career and in life. In a normal semester, lessons are face-to-face, but this semester, the lessons are live online. Even online, students will benefit greatly. They will develop their English, and they will develop their critical thinking. Here are some excerpts from real lessons in both the foundation and application classes. All right. Okay, let's get warmed up with critical thinking language. We're looking at alternative thoughts and predictions. So learning English is the key to success in today's world. Everyone assumes that's true. However, success depends more on what than English ability? Anyone?
Success depends more on hard work than English ability.
Good.
Well, I think people's health are more important, so the government should spend more money on medical care and education. Because now junior high school and elementary school students usually do not have the computer, so they cannot have a course by using computer.
Yep.
So in my opinion, the education, the fund should spend on the equipment for the students' learning.
Yep.
Rather than just having fun, which is very dangerous, traveling.
So health is more important than restarting the economy. Education is more important than people should focus on education more than trying to restart the economy. The American way.
Self-censorship.
Yeah. So Americans will not, the government will not take control and try to censor all the magazines. They allow the magazines to censor themselves. What's the European way?
Restriction.
Yeah.
On magazine. I want to confirm what you said now, and for first evidence, you say that if decrease the longer working hour, it means the salary is getting down and the effectiveness is also going down, right?
Yes, like workers feel pressure to be more productive in shorter time.
I reduce.
Yes.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Society where there's heavy population control. Does anybody remember what the actual number was?
40 million.
Yeah, limited to 40 million people. How do they do that?
If the if the baby is born, then the people living here should be killed.
Yeah. Somebody comes into the world, somebody's got to leave the world, and not naturally, all right? What do you think they do in other countries when they say goodbye, especially if it's your fiance?
Kissing?
Yeah, you hug and you kiss them.
Fiance.
You don't do that this time. They shook hands. Why?
Because afraid of infection.
Yeah, it comes back to the whole infection thing. You know? Even shaking hands, that's like really dangerous. I mean, the whole just wave. All right, I'll see you guys next week.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Very much.